Be your own best beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you subscribe and you want to see more, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're diving right in. I just received my Boxycharm Luxe for the month of March. And as you can see, apparently my carrier was playing kickball, so hopefully everything's all right. This is a Boxy Luxe, which will be soon called the Icon Box. I do have a couple of shorts up if you want to go and check those out, but IPSY and Boxycharm are finally merging. I'm still sad that they did not call it IPSYcharm. I'm just saying. So yeah, I'm gonna open the box more to get into it. And sans makeup in case we can try on something today, and hopefully everything's in here. There should be 8 full-size products in here. And this just says Boxycharm Spring Luxe 2023. The back is going to tell us all of our pertinent deets. And there is my box version. It will tell us our pricing and everything on the back. We do have our little card here in reference to them kind of joining and merging together. I don't see 8 products. Fun. Real fun. Anyways. First thing right on top is an LYS Beauty Complexion Brush Duo. 1 foundation brush and 1 sculpt bronzing brush. I love LYS Beauty. My LYS Beauty foundation brush is the one that I use pretty consistently, so I do want to see if it's the same one. Most likely I'm going to keep it unless it's dual-ended, solely because I don't like dual-ended brushes. Alright, yay! They are not dual-ended, which makes me very happy. So this is the foundation brush. I don't know if it's any different from this one, because this one doesn't actually have any detailing or anything on it, aside from saying LYS Beauty, so maybe they're revamping the brushes. Oh yes, that feels so nice. So that is what it looks like. Definitely holding on to this and very excited. And then this is the bronzing brush. I love a brush like this. I like the weight. I like the density of this. Everything about it, they're great. They're fantastic. Starting off on a good foot, other than knowing already that all the stuff that's supposed to be in here is most likely not in here. Next up is the Iconic London Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Palette. Alright, there is the packaging. It does have a 24-month shelf life. And they are cream blush / lip products. I love cream blush, but I have a lot open right now, so I am going to keep the cover on this just to be safe. If I know I'm going to pay it forward or sell it or something like that, I don't like to open products to the air. I don't like to be wasteful. Next up in my box is the Grown Alchemist Anti-Pollution Primer. That sounds great. I've been using the little Grown Alchemist regenerating night cream every single night. It's a little thick for me, but I'm still testing it out, so I'm excited to have something else to try from them. I love the packaging of their stuff. It's very like apothecary-esque, so if you've tried this, let me know. Next up is something from Pat McGrath Labs. This is a Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette. I'm pretty sure this is what the full-size holiday palette was, so maybe they just made like a mini for Boxycharm. I'm not quite sure. Alright. Oh, that is so pretty. That's very much, in my opinion, like a date night type of palette, or New Year's or something like that. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Next up we have a Fenty Skin Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing Treatment and Reusable Applicator. That sounds amazing. I love Fenty Skin so much. I use the hand cream pretty much every single night. And then my last thing, let me see how many that was in a second. My last thing in here is the Drunk Elephant TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. And of course that is a full size. Everything in here is a full size product. So let me look on the back of this little card. Yeah, that's everything that's in here. I don't think that was 8 things. Let me see what I was supposed to have in here. All right. First up was our Pat McGrath Lab Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette. Infinite artistry awaits. This limited edition curated quintet of infinitely versatile hues features 3 finishes. Sculpt and smolder in a sublime silk matte. Illuminate like an icon in a shimmering full. Sparkle without caution in mesmerizing metallics. This provocative palette delivers opulent opacity in a single stroke while building luxuriously blended multi-dimensional color. That is $36. Next up is our iconic London multi-use lip and cheek palette. Create a fresh-faced, pretty flush and a pop of pout enhancing color. Featuring 6 multi-use dewy cream shades. This easy-to-use palette provides an instant pick-me-up to the complexion, and that is $55. Next up was our Fenty Beauty Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing 10% AHA treatment and reusable applicator. Have a minute? Glow big with no downtime. This 10% AHA treatment clarifies, purifies, and smooths skin by gently clearing out dull cells on the surface and going deep into the pores to smooth, refine, brighten, and even the texture over time. And this is $40. Next up was our Drunk Elephant TLC Happy Scalp Scrub, a supercharged AHA BHA acid blend that breaks down and dissolves dead skin cells and styling product buildup, while biodegradable, gentle exfoliating beads sweep them away, and that is $36. Next up was our Grown Alchemist Anti-Pollution Primer. Create the perfect base for makeup application with this lightweight, hydrating gel primer featuring bioactive botanical ingredients that provide double-duty protection against pollution and blue light, while instantly blurring wrinkles and pores for a smooth, flawless-looking skin, and that is $42. Next up was our LYS Beauty Complexion Brush Duo. Effortlessly buff liquid, cream, and powder products into the skin with these densely packed brushes that seamlessly distribute product for an undetectable finish. Created with soft, synthetic hair, these brushes maximize coverage while minimizing the amount of product needed for a finished result that you will love. And these are $30. Like I said, I use this one all the time. I love it. It is fantastic quality. And that's it. I also should have had a KVD Beauty Tattoo Pencil Liner, an ultra smooth transfer resistant gel pencil eyeliner that has the iconic waterproof all day wear of the best-selling tattoo liner. This pencil liner sets fast to lock in place on your lids and in your waterline. It is high pigmented, versatile, and easy to use, so you can line it, smudge it, or go graphic. That would have been $22. And then last, oh man, would have been the Oma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. That's one of my favorite mascaras. The regular Drama Bomb mascara, I love it so much. The best seller is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass-shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. That would have been $19.50. So, yeah. Overall, I love the box. I really love the mix of everything that I got. I could have dealt without the KVD, but I'm a little pissed off and upset that I didn't get the Oma Beauty mascara. And to be honest, because I'm pretty sure it was a carrier issue, they were playing kickball or something with my box. I don't even know who to contact. I don't even know who to say, like, hey, I didn't get some of my stuff in my box. Well curated. I love the blend of like a little bit of hair, some brushes, some skin, some makeup. Yeah, I like what I did get. Also, if you know who I'm supposed to contact, if y'all could maybe give me some advice on that. And what did you guys think about it? Again, I would have had 2 more makeup products to add to this collection. I think with the brushes, the eyeshadow palette, having the blush and lip palette, then a mascara and a liner, like, that's a pretty good amount of makeup in my opinion. But yeah, I'm a little irritated. I'm a little bit upset, but it is what it is. Overall, like what I did get in my box. What did you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.